Chick-fil-A bags. My buddy, you happy in there? Hi, bud. It's my kitty. He's so handsome. Look at him. Isn't he so cute? He's a good boy. And right now, he's a meatloaf. A double bubble meatloaf. And a double bubble meatloaf.